Today, we want to look at some of the greatest advice of Warren Buffett concerning the issue of compound interest. The power of compound interest is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth over time. Compound interest is the interest earned on both the initial principal amount and the accumulated interest on that principal amount. Before we continue, I want us to know what Warren Buffett has to say about the power of compound interest. He says, and I quote, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." This quote highlights Buffett's belief in the remarkable impact that compound interest can have on investment returns over time. The concept of compound interest involves reinvesting the interest earned on an initial investment, leading to exponential growth. Buffett often emphasizes the importance of long-term investing and compounding as key factors in building wealth. Before we dive right in, please do well to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you will be the first to get more professional content like this. Here are some ways that compound interest can help you build wealth. Number 1. Starting early. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time you have for compound interest to work its magic. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Number 2. Consistency. Regular contributions to your savings or investment accounts can help maximize the benefits of compound interest. By contributing consistently over time, you can watch your wealth grow steadily thanks to the power of compounding. Number 3. Long-term perspective. Compound interest works best over the long term. It may take years or even decades for the benefits of compounding to become truly significant. However, by maintaining a long-term perspective and remaining committed to your savings and investment goals, you can reap the rewards of compound interest over time. Number 4. Reinvestment. Reinvesting your earnings can help maximize the benefits of compound interest. Instead of withdrawing your earnings, consider reinvesting them back into your account to help grow your wealth even faster. Number 5. Risk versus reward. Different investments offer different rates of return and levels of risk. It's important to find the right balance between risk and reward for your investment goals and risk tolerance. Number 6. Diversification. Diversifying your investment portfolio can help you maximize the benefits of compound interest while minimizing risk. By investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets, you can help ensure that your wealth continues to grow even during times of market volatility. Number 7. Stay informed and stay the course. Buffett encourages investors to stay informed about their investments, but also to resist the temptation to make frequent changes based on short-term market fluctuations. He advocates for staying the course and having faith in the long-term power of compound interest. It's worth noting that these principles are based on Buffett's historical advice. By understanding the power of compound interest and using it to your advantage, you can build wealth over time and achieve your financial goals.